Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets. Today I want to share with you a granny square three-way bag that I crocheted. It's a shoulder bag, but there's three different ways that you can wear this bag. I have a pattern that I created as I went along, and that pattern is in my Etsy shop. I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link in the description box below this video. So this is it. I absolutely love it. It is 6 granny squares on the front panel, and there's 3 one color and 3 another color. I used Premier Basics worsted number 4 worsted weight yarn. And the colors are goldenrod and charcoal. The back side is a solid color, and it's all double crochet. And then it has a single crochet border before you switch to the last couple outline rows of double crochet. It has a flap that is also made out of double crochets with decreases to kind of make it the flap angled. And it has a 5 shell border around the flap. There is a little pocket with a buttonhole, and it has just a little tiny 3 round granny square pocket that you can just throw some change in or a chapstick or what have you, and you just button it closed. And then it has a snap closure. It has a zipper. It's a 7-inch zipper that I crocheted in. And all of this is in the pattern, of course. Now there is an option. I went ahead and I put a lining in this bag. And then I made a pocket that is inside this lining that closes with Velcro. Because there is some little holes in the granny square. So there's certain things, like if you were to put a pen in it, for example, or a pencil, a barrette, or something like that, it would poke through the holes and you would possibly lose it. So you definitely probably would want to put a lining in it, but the lining isn't included in the pattern. Just the crochet pattern for the bag is in the pattern, okay? So we have a cord for a handle, and this is called the 2-loop cord. And there are certain things that take place during the crocheting of this bag that you might need some guidance. So I have links in the pattern to the tutorial so that you can just type in that URL and it'll take you right to the tutorial to certain things. And one of them is how to crochet a 2-loop cord. Okay, so I used these swivel clasp hooks. See? And I just went ahead and I doubled up the cord. Let me get this back on so I can show you. See, I'm just connecting it to the inside, the side of the bag just under the flap. And you insert the cord in this end of the clasp. And then you would bring it up so that both ends meet and you tie it in a knot. And the reason why I did it this way is because, okay, if you have it with the 2 strands, you can just wear it over your shoulder. No problem. Perfect, right? But then you can grab one of them and drop the other one, and you can wear it over the shoulder. Okay, can't see the whole thing, but you get the idea. or you can just wear it over the shoulder this way and have it hang really low. So that's why I call it the three-way Grady Square shoulder bag, because there's 3 different ways that you can carry this. So I am really excited to share this bag with you today. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to transfer all of my stuff from my other purse into this one and start using it. And like I said, the pattern is in the description box below to go on over to my Etsy shop if you would like to purchase it. And throw me a comment below. Let me know if you like the bag, if you plan on getting the pattern and crocheting one. Also, let me know if you've ever crocheted and designed your own bag. And until next time, bye.